Welcome back, guys. Harry here, known as Trade Shop. Not feeling the best today, so gonna keep this short. But I wanted to bring it to you because Bitcoin is really pumping. We're gonna have a look at Pancake Swap today as well. So yeah, it's pretty evident here. We have our upside resolution. I've been waiting for this to break out, and it's breaking out very aggressively. Impulse buys only. That's the only way you would have caught this. I mean, it's pretty obvious to see the rising lows here. Was never bearish unless it broke my condition. So, it was holding these rising lows and gave you no entry, just a straight breakthrough here. Hype about tomorrow, the Coinbase IPO. I was telling you that normally we see these things rally right before the IPO, and then, we need to be cautious because there could be a dump afterwards. And if this resolves to the upside, I would see that dump as an opportunity. But it depends on a few conditions. Technically, this is not confirmed until we close the 4 hour above this area, but it looks pretty imminent that it will. But it's Bitcoin at the end of the day. And again, I just remain, now that, as long as we remain above this pivot now here, around 59,883, as long as we remain above there, I'm bullish to my next target up here at 65,000. Yeah, there could be stops along the way. I'm sure we're hitting a target right now. Nope, we are not hitting from any targets from this area. I wonder why I think it's just profit taking, to be honest. Let me just measure this. 10%, 6%. Fair enough. I'm not sure why people are taking profits at here. Maybe it's because which Fibonacci would be stronger? I mean, let's try this Fibonacci here. This is obviously stronger. Uh, No, nothing really lining up why it's dumping here. So I think it's just flagging out. I mean, just a cool off. This is profit taking. I'm sure it's hitting another fib that I just don't have on my Fibonacci, but it's definitely algorithms taking profit. It's probably the topside Bollinger Band, to be honest. Nope, that burst straight through it. Fair enough, guys. I'm all wrong today. You can see. So yeah, no bottom wick, just flew up here. You know, 30-minute. Has a nice base here. I mean, we could have a retest. It's always possible, but if not, I look for this to continue up and onwards. Apart from that, Ethereum, at the other hand, also breaking out finally of this accumulation area here. Uh, a lot more mellow breakout, but we'll see in an hour if this can close above, which it looks like it does. Now, I'm not bearish with Ethereum as long as it remains above this low, 2120. If not, looking for my upper targets to get hit. Let's look at Pancake Swap. See what is going on with that. Let's get Binance. I don't want to add it, but anyways. Cake. Start off as the daily as always. And daily has this nice support at this current area here. And 4 hour trying to look like it's putting a base in. If this can put a base in here, yes, 1 hour Stokes turning up. Uh, it's a little bit hard in its positioning here. Yeah, as a whole, it's looking good, guys. It's looking good as a whole, but in the short term, it's looking very indecisive, right? So what I'm gonna give you and leave you with this is that if we can put in a base here, that's great, and I think price will continue up and onwards and probably tap 26. If not, then you need to keep this area as, I mean, to be honest, it could come all the way down here to 21. I know it's not useful, but we would still be okay at 21. So we'll have to see how this goes. If it can close above this pivot, to be honest, I do think we could, but we have to keep in mind that we do have this resistance here. But if not, we could see something like this and it continue and then probably accumulate like this. We have these highs and then we could see price breakout. So that's what I'm hoping for. I need more data, but it's very good at the moment. Looking good, daily. Daily Stokes are crossing down, but what normally we see happen on Stokes is we could see it come down like this and then bounce off this zone here. If we get that bounce off that zone, I see that as a major opportunity. But we'll see some price targets while we're at it. We'll go on the 4 hour, check some price targets. Uh, so all-time high, and then after all-time high, next target 29. So see if those get hit in the near future. Remember, guys, sorry for today, bit messed up video, not feeling the best at all. Take care, trade sharp, until tomorrow.